Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good to see you all here. Okay, before we start our lesson, I would like to check your attendance first here. Whether you are still outside or already inside here. Check your attendance first. Mirza, this Mirza, still outside ya. Okay, Jihan Farah. Okay, dari Agus Saika. Saada sorry. Auralia Widya, okay, thank you for coming. Mutiara Alvin, still outside. Rafika Afur, okay. Septian, okay. Levi, yes Levi, okay. Ali Rustin, still outside. And Rashad Akil, okay. Wasilatul Rosalinda, absent ya, artinya absent. She's already text me to do the permission here, and then Cynthia Nur, Cynthia Nur, Cikita, Laila, and Rika. And still new. Are you new student? Yeah. Kan dari sesuatu enggak? Yes. Biasanya?
Yang kemarin sudah.
Oh sudah ada. Okay.
Oh ini baru ya?
Yeah, I don't know. There's no option here. Still, yeah, still the same. Yeah, okay. So okay, now before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Okay, pray on your feet. Okay, thank you. Now, let's play the quiz first. Yeah? Okay, I'll make a quiz here. This one. Okay. And this one. This one. My drawing stuff a bit, yeah. This one. Okay, this one now. I have written here, okay, and then you can fill this one with the letter. Can you guess it? Tebak kata apa yang bisa kamu sampaikan di sini? Letter, all letters ya. Start from A until Z ya. Start A until E. Okay, come on, start from you. What letter you can fill in this grid? You can up to you. You can choose up to you. Maybe the vowel or maybe the consonant. It's up to you. Do you wanna say what's the letter? The letter. You know letter? Group ya. Which one? Just choose the letter.
Oh.
Only one. Only one letter.
A.
M.
M. Okay. There is M. Very good. Okay. Okay, and then next, you got the point. You got the point. Well, yeah. A, yeah, A. Yeah. Okay, there's A. Okay, this one. Okay, you got point. Okay, next. Yes, up to you. You can choose, for example, the consonant A, U, E, yeah. Now, the others already one of these of the vowel letter here. Come on. Okay. Okay, come on. Come in. Yeah, we play the quiz. Yeah, we play the game here. Okay. Wow. There are so many stuff. Thank you. You can sit here. Sit here. Oh, here. Yes. Come on. Listen. E. Sorry, there is no I. Next. E or I. This one. This one. This one. This one. Oh, you see this one. E ya. In English ya. E ya. Okay, E. Okay, we have E here. There are so many. E. Okay, only this one. Okay, next, we have E, we have M, we have E. Yeah. Come on, it's okay. Don't be shy to say the letter here. B. Sorry, there is no B. Okay, come on. There's no U. Sorry, there's no U. Okay, from the back. Which one? Okay, what letter do you want to choose? There is no U. There is no. What is I? Okay, come on. There are so many letters from A until Z. Just choose one of them. Okay. Yes.
Sorry, G.
G. Okay. Okay, G. Come on. Very good. G. What else? Nah, come on. Which one?
R.
R? No, there is no R. L. Very good. You can do.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay. Come on. Hey, Matt, come on, try. Come on, try. Come on, you want to try?
T.
T. No, there is no T.
H. H.
H. No, there is no H. Come on. Sorry, forget your name. Satya, come on, Satya. Try. O? Sorry, there is O. The other, come on. Try. There are so many words from A until Z. You can try all the letter E. There's already E here. A. Okay, very good. Okay. Very easy. There's only 3 words left.
S.
S. Very good. S.
Y.
Wow, very good.
S.
Yeah.
Oh.
So now, actually, we are going to discuss about this one. Yeah. Legal system. What is it? Legal system. What is the legal system? What is it in Indonesia? What is it legal? Legal itu apa? Legal itu
Hukum.
adalah
Hukum.
sama dengan law. Yeah. So legal here means we have, the words legal and
Illegal.
Yeah, it means that this is based on the law. This is unbased. Break the rule. Yeah, break the law. Sorry, this one. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about this one. But have you played Kahoot before? Pernah main Kahoot, game Kahoot? Belum pernah? Okay, now let's play this one. I'll give you the new experience playing. The quiz related to the law. You have to enter to your mobile phone, and then turn on your minutes. This one. And my student really like play this game, Okay. This one. Okay. All of you can join this one. We study about this one first. Okay, you can enter to your browser, you just type kahoot.it, this one. Okay. Kahoot, this one. Okay, not kahoot.com but kahoot.it, this one, kahoot.it. Okay. And then you only put the pin game here. Now this is the pin game. This is the pin game, Okay, and then put your name. Satya already coming to the game. Okay, waiting the others. Kahoot, okay. Sanya. Usually there is the sound here, but check the sound. I'm check the sound first, This one. We have Najib, Daria, Aurelia, Nizat, Zihan, Tania, Satya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
So like
Still 7. We need 3 more, 1 more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is still one left, satu yang belum masuk. Sudah? Sudah bisa masuk? Okay, this one. Okay, now let's start. Remember, in your mobile phone, only the colors.
okay.
The answer from this screen, okay? And that is the usually limited time, The time is running, okay? Okay, let's start. This one. This is the law quiz. How understand are you about the law in English? Okay, this one. System of the rules that a country recognizes as a regulating the action of its member. Okay. Choose only the colors. This is the time, This is the running time, and this is your answer. Still one. Okay. He has an answer. Let's see. This is the winner for the first question. So this is the competitive,
Oh, I see.
Okay. This is become your competition. Okay. Sistem hukum perdata in English. The civil law system. Well, what is customary? What is customary law? What is customary law? Ini bahasa Indonesia. What is customary law? Hukum aviasi. Ya. Kalau civil law system itu adalah sistem hukum perdata.
Ya, bentar Pak. Keluar Pak, bentar.
Oke, keluar. Masuk
Iya.
lagi, ya.
Masuk lagi.
There's still this one, the game. Ya.
Oke.
Pakai web di sini bisa kan ya?
Bisa.
Ya. Tentunya itu kalau biasanya kalau di sekolah itu kadang itu driving-nya nyambung ya, itu yang anak-anak kadang jengkel kalau sudah masuk tiba-tiba harus keluar lihat. Ayo, ready? Bapak, Majid.
Buat peminat itu.
Yo, Majid lead the podium, lead the score ya kan? Ya, all of you, ya. Yes. Okay, still Majid with the competition here. The advice the client. Lawyer, yeah. So this is a lawyer, yeah. Lala, just hit answer script 3, yeah. So you answer correct 3 times. As I said before, customary law. In the question number 2 or 3, is that mistaken? Hukum adat, okay, that's 6. Wow, Majid, you must replace by Lapidara. Still, there's the time, yeah. Don't worry, there's the time. Okay. Tersangka, you know, in English. Graphical answer correct ya. The defendant is tergugat, ya. Don't forget ya. The witness is saksi. Okay.
Victim korban.
The suspect is tersangka. The victim
Korban.
Okay. Najib still lead. This is not the verdict. This is
Nah tadi.
Ya, oke, please ya. Jangan ini, jangan ya. There is something with the makin ya. Makin. This is almost normal. Okay, next is going to be the still Majid Jihan. Jihan the runner up.
Aduh, ya kontra.
This is very easy. Okay. Yeah. Police is responsible for
Aduh, salah lagi.
ya, law enforcement ya, penegakan hukum ya. Nah, kalau lawsuit itu ini apa? Apa itu namanya? Apa itu? Menuntut. This one ya. Anish itu mungkin. Okay, Satya now strike to number 2. Satya, you can chase Majid.
Aduh.
Crime, yeah. Crime is the action, but the people is the criminal, yeah. Crime is the person, the action. Criminal is the person or the people. Okay. Still again, play the audio. Let's see. Okay, ya. Prisoner or detainee, this is tahanan Indonesia. Prison itu tempatnya, the prisoner itu orangnya. There are 3 more questions. What is the constitution here? Undang-undang ya, konstitusi, undang-undang dasar ya. Oke, soalnya. See, oke, Najib still lead the podium. Okay, which of the following is not a type of crime here?
Multiple crime. Masih banyak, Pak. Masih banyak.
There are one more.
One more.
There are 15 questions. This is the 14th question. Ya. Negotiation. Ya. Fraud, fraud. Fraud itu kayak penggelapan itu masuk di forgery ya. Oke, burglary itu pencuriannya. Theft sama ya, pencurian. See. Okay, now GM replace Septian. This is the last question.
Defendant.
Defendant. Okay, good, yeah. So now let's see who's going to be the winner, going to be in the podium here. And we have it, okay, number 3, Kujiha. It's number 1. Najib, takutnya itu Najib. Nah, this one, Aurelia, Septian, number 5, and the last is yeah. We celebrate all the tahun ya. Okay. Actually that's kind of the words related to the law ya. Tadi kan kata-kata hubungannya sama hukum. Ya. Nanti lagi aja.
Lagi Pak.
Ulang nanti lagi. With the general knowledge pengetahuan ya. Kita lanjutkan di materi this one ini dulu ya. So actually we are going to discuss about this one, yeah. Speaking practices. Now you have to practice this one, okay. This is our objective learning for today, yeah. Handle this one. After you learn this one, yeah. At the end of the activity, the student will be able to. You can use a simple English to describe basic concept of Indonesian law. Now we are ready about a law or legal system here, and then ask and answer question about the legal institution, okay, and then you practice speaking in pair, yeah, in a small group using guided prompt, and the last is give a short 1 or 2 minute introduction about one part of the Indonesian legal system. Now let's have a look at this one. Okay, this is the key vocabulary you want to learn about English, law in English. Carol, read this one all together. Repeat after me. Law.
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 Court.
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 Judge.
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 Police.
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 Crime.
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 Punishment.
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 Lawyer.
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 Constitution.
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 Legal system.
Legal system.
Legal system.
Legal system.
Government.
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 Rights.
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 Rules.
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 What is the meaning of the law?
Hukum.
Court. What is it called? Court. Pengadilan. Ya. Remember, if there is the tennis court, kalau tennis court itu apa artinya? Tennis court. Lapangan, tergantung konteks. Ya. Kalau sama hukum nanti artinya pengadilan. Okay. A judge.
Hakim.
Very good. Police.
Polisi.
Okay. Crime.
Kejahatan.
Okay. Punishment.
Hukuman.
Okay, very good. Lawyer.
Pengacara.
Okay. Constitution.
Undang-undang dasar.
Undang-undang dasar tadi ya. A legal system. Sistem hukum. Okay. Government. Government.
Pemerintah.
Okay. The rights. You know rights? Apa itu rights? Human rights itu apa? Hak. Ini I would like to clarify last week Bu Lina say apa kemarin benar ya. Nah, if it is right itu beda. Kalau right itu ada S-nya, itu adalah hak. Okay, if it is this is right hand, this is right hand. So this is kanan. Ya, nah ada yang benar, artinya ada kanan, ada juga yang hak. If it is there is the right S here, this is called hak. Human rights, berarti hak asasi manusia. And then rules.
Hukuman. Peraturan.
Ya, peraturan. Okay, ya. This is the key vocabulary. Ya. If you learn about the law, so you have to understand what is in English. Who knows someday you will be international lawyer. Ya. Nah, kalau nanti kamu jadi pengacara internasional, kamu harus mengerti bahasa ini. Yeah, especially the formal letters ya, formal vocabulary about the law. Okay. Okay ya, this is tadi too small ya. Okay. Tadi ada civil law system, kan? Civil law system.
Civil law system.
Customary law.
Customary law.
Islamic law.
Islamic law.
Constitution.
Constitution.
Statute. Or act. Judge. Prosecutor. Defendant. Supreme Court. Constitutional Court. Judicial review. Inquisitorial system. Adversarial system. Saya kasih faedahnya ya. Oke. Nah itu ya, itu termasuk sistem hukum perdata. Bahasa itu ya. Oke. Civil law system tadi yang ada di Kristen ya. Ada customary law, hukum adat. Ada Islam law. Kalau kamu belajar hukum kan gitu ya. Dibedakan ada hukum adat yang ada di Indonesia ya. So because we discuss about legal system in Indonesia ya. Oke. We have Islamic law atau hukum syariah ini ya. Nah itu, and then we have statute. Nah kata lain dari undang-undang, constitution itu ada juga statute gitu ya, undang-undang. Ya. Kalau konstitusi itu undang-undang dasar, yang mendasar di Indonesia. Contohnya kalau kamu belajar undang-undang dasar negara Republik Indonesia tahun 1945. This is the constitution. Ya, okay. And then we have the judge here, hakim, ya, prosecutor. What is the difference between hakim and jaksa? Apa bedanya hakim sama jaksa? What is the difference?
Hakim yang ambil putusan, Pak.
Ya, kalau jaksa
acara negara.
Iya, kayak di sini ya, kalau yang bilang ya, hakim sama jaksa itu ya. Hakim itu yang apa? Memutuskan. Iya. Nah, kalau persekutuan itu jaksanya itu yang apa itu? Yang menuntut gitu ya. Nah, yang menuntut ya itu ya. Kemudian ada defendant, nah, tergugat. Ya, nah, kalau kamu terdakwa, kalau di kriminal terdakwa. Nah, misalnya temanmu mencuri helm, ya, kamu bawa ke polisi, ya, kemudian dibawa ke pengadilan. Itu namanya terdakwa. And then Supreme Court, this one, usually many words related to this one. Supreme itu tertinggi. In English actually artinya tertinggi. Maka di sini Supreme Court berarti Mahkamah Agung itu yang tertinggi. Ya. Nanti we discuss about this one, okay? And then we have Constitutional Court ya. Ada Mahkamah Konstitusi, ada Mahkamah Agung. Ya. Oke, kalau kamu belajar lihat berita-berita itu, saya masih ketua MK-nya. MK ini kan yang kemarin memutuskan siapa Gibran lolos jadi wakil presiden itu kan ini MK ya. And then judicial review ya. Nah, jadi ada peninjauan kembali. Kalau ada misalnya hukum yang misalnya kok dihukum kayak kemarin siapa itu yang perempuan itu dinyatakan bersalah, kan itu ditinjau kembali apakah bersalah atau tidak, kan itu ya, direview kembali gitu ya. And then we have inquisitorial system, yaitu sistem inquisitorial ya, Indonesian Court ya. Ini biasanya pengadilan yang di Indonesia sistemnya mengacu pada di sini ya. And then adversarial system, nanti kamu bisa belajar lebih lanjut. So we just discuss about the vocabulary here. Okay. Now, this one. Okay. This one, I would like to ask you. Okay, you can browse from your internet, your mobile phone. What is actually law in your mind here? You can browse from internet, and I will ask you one by one. What is law according to you? Okay. This one. Who works in the legal system? There are two kind of questions here, and then I will ask you this one. Come on. I'll give you 5 minutes, and then you try to speak this one. What comes to your mind when you hear the word law? Who works in the legal system? Not 5 minutes, yeah, too long, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. You see, just simple sentence, use the simple sentence. gunakan bahasa yang sederhana aja ya. No need to. Okay, now let me ask you what is actually low. Okay. Okay, start from Jian. Where's Jian? Jian, where's Jian? This one. Jian, come on, tell me about low. What is low according to you? Okay, never mind ya. Gak apa-apa, sampaikan aja. Jadi learn English together ya.
Rule that regulate the human behavior
Okay.
to achieve object.
Okay, very good ya. Regulation ya.
Yes.
Regulation, this kind of regulation ya, that rule the human ya, okay, yang mengatur manusia. That's kind of law according to Jihan. Next, Aurelia. Where's Aurelia? Leah. Where's Leah? Leah, come on. What is law according to you?
Work in the legal system.
Hmm.
People such as judge,
Hmm.
lawyer,
Judge, prosecutor, yeah, prosecutor,
police office,
police
and
officer.
court staff work in the legal system.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so Aurelia said that the one who works in the legal system, we have police, judge, prosecutor, lawyer, maybe, and etc. There are so many kind of the work who works in the legal system. And what about you, Satya? Tell me about the law. What is the law according to you?
Law code and the rules that society is based or the consequence the rules are broken.
Okay, yeah, very good. Yeah, okay. What about you, Najib? What is the law according to you?
I think of rules that help keep someone
Okay.
and make sure right it treats fairly.
Okay, yeah. So you say that someone who treat fairly, yeah. This is called the law, yeah. Okay. Can treat fairly. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. Now let's continue with the next one. This one, yeah. Yeah. So you ask to your partner here, your partner here, what is the legal system in Indonesia called? Okay. Who makes law in Indonesia? Okay. Actually, I want to give you this slide, yeah, so you don't need to photo it, yeah. Nah. Terima dulu.
Switch.
This one. Ya, what is the legal system? You can ask to your friend ya. Okay. Saling bertanya ke temannya ya. Why is law important? And what does? You just use the simple answer here. What is the legal system? Yeah. This is part of the learning ya. You know, use it by that's kind of technology. You can answer again. If you don't understand, ask your friend.
Legal system. It's
example like this one, yeah. The answer like this one, yeah. Okay. That's very easy, yeah. That's very easy. You can ask to your friend. Come on, just practice with your friend. What is the Indonesian law? And then the other answer, the Indonesian legal system is based on civil law. And this one, yeah. Okay, come on. Try this one. Yang belakang itu namanya.
Najib Pak.
Ini Jib, kita Jib.
Ini.
Iya. Salah, ayolah sama partnernya.
Sama ini.
Ya, berarti sama saya apa?
Sama itu.
Ya, oke. Ya. Practice this one. You ask this one, ya. This one. What is the legal system in Indonesia? Okay. Louder please. Enggak, di situ aja. Nanti ke depannya nanti.
What is the legal system in Indonesia?
Ini kan pertanyaan
Sambil lagi ya.
legal system in Indonesia.
Accept that.
Civil system.
Bisa mencoba nggak bisa.
Rahasia banget ya, Bu.
Bisa. Ya.
Who? Who makes law in Indonesia?
Tawa, kita mah nggak usah diketawain aja. Kita belajar sama-sama ya. Coba. Ya, ayo bersama dulu. Gini sama ya, sama-sama ya.
Who?
Ini juga sudah siap ya kamu? Sudah siap ya loh.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you are not a native speaker. Yeah, you are Japanese.
Yes, of course.
Mendak-mendak is okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
You know, Jokowi English is very medok.
yeah, very much.
Sekali. Hai.
Dus.
Yeah. Okay. Now, okay, yeah. So at least you can practice with your friend, yeah. Okay. Now let's this one. Nah, yang kapan yang ngejar dulu? Nah, ya. There are 3 of you. Yeah. Nah, 3 of you here. 4 ya, 4 sorry ya. Judge, lawyer, police officer, citizen. Nah, berarti berempat. Nah, practice this one. Nah, come on.
Bentar.
Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
1, 2. You can join.
Hah?
This one.
Empat ya, Pak?
Become this one the rule ya. Okay, here. Sorry. This one. Nah, ya. Nah.
Oh, bagaimana?
You choose the role ya as judge or as lawyer or as police officer or as citizen. Ya, okay. Choose which one. Okay. And then practice here. Practice di depan ini saya. Di depan berdiri, teman. Sudah kirimkan ini kok, kirimkan di ini kok, di grupmu. Ya.
Itu 4 orang.
Iya, 4 tuh bagi 4. Jadi gak mau ada.
Ada judge, police, citizen, lawyer. Kamu pilih salah satu.
Antara
Berdialog.
Enggak, 4 sih. Tuh warga empat.
Kau baca itu.
Iya.
Ya, dibaca. Berdialog.
Dialog ya.
Oh, iya.
Speaking. Nah, ya. Jangan
Yes.
speaking ya. Oke.
Yes.
Come on. Just start from this one ya. Tidak apa-apa. 4 ini. Najib, Niswa, Septian, and which one? Choose. Sama? Baria. Yang belum ngomong sama. Ya. Yeah. Okay, now I will choose you. Yeah. So here, Najib as the judge. Yeah. Okay. And then Niswa as the police. Oh sorry, this one. Satya cocok dari polisinya. And then this is the citizen and Baria as the lawyer. Yeah. Okay. Come on.
Okay. Seven.
Yes.
Good morning. What's problem today?
The citizen lost his wallet.
Okay.
Yes, I lost my wallet at the market.
Okay. The case. You want to report the case. Okay.
Thank you. Please fill in the report.
Yeah. No.
Gila ya bawahnya Pak.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. Just four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 itu ketahuan kok. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. You as the judge, yeah. And then this one as the police, the citizen, and the lawyer. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Aura.
Good morning.
Come on.
Good morning, was the citizen was his yes, I lost my wallet and the market. You were to report the case. Thank you, please.
Yeah, so this is very simple conversation. You can practice it every day. Now, this one, after that, you have to do this one. This one, this one. You have to explain, yeah, the system, yeah, in English, yeah. Now, the three branches of the government here. We have legislative here, executive, and judicial. Okay, practice this one. You just like do a presentation here. Ya, kamu nanti tak suruh presentasi. Ada contohnya bawahnya. Ya. Yang pertama, you have to this one. Okay, legislative. Okay, this is the first speaker, and this is the second speaker, and this is the last speaker. Okay, please. And then I just show you the picture here first. Yeah. Yeah. This one. I just show you this one, and then you have to practice it. Okay. You have to practice the constitution, the legal system in Indonesia here. You can say from the legislative here, executive, and judicial. Okay. Let me choose one of you. Najib, you are as the legislative, and then Septian, executive, and judicial is sorry. Namanya Tiara. Yeah. Okay. You can read the first, yeah, read the text first, okay? And then try to practice it. Imagine you are presenting in front of the audience, okay? And then you say this one. I would like to blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah. Only 2 minutes, yeah. Only 2 minutes per person. 2 minutes. Okay. Maju ke depan. Jelaskan tentang tekstur. Please come forward. Maju first. You can bring your mobile phone. It's okay. You want to copy the words, the sentences, or you can make your language, ya. Bisa menggunakan bahasa Inggris kamu sendiri. The simple one is okay, ya. It's okay. Come on, Jim. Yeah. It's just for example, okay. I would like to introduce this one.
Good morning.
Okay. Yes, you can start. Good afternoon, ya.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Could you help me to video him? Ya, nanti dikirim ke saya ya. Video. Tidak apa-apa.
Ya, masuk.
Okay, 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today we will like use the diagram of the branch of government
Okay.
to understand
Okay.
how power is structured and
This one. Constitution, the legislative.
the system known as a tres politica
Okay.
is the foundation of our negara hukum or rules of law.
Okay.
I will cover the three main branch:
Okay.
legislative, making law;
Okay.
executive, implementing law; and judicial, interpreting law. Okay,
You can start with the legislative.
so okay.
Okay. Still loading ya. Terus minta ini ya, filenya itu apa tuh? PDF ya.
Oh. Kalau aksennya di
Oh, ada nih, atau pakai pakai tanda.
nggak usah pakai dulu. Udah.
Oke.
Okay. The legislative branch making law. Reference visual. Okay. Point the legislative column. Function: the legislative branch is responsible for creating and amending the law.
Oke.
Specifically, the state of act or undang-undang. In Indonesia, the function is primarily built by the People's Constitution Assembly or MPR, which is composed of two houses. One, the People Representative Council or DPR, similar to the House of Representatives shown here. Two, the Regional Representative Council or DPD, representing the region. Okay, power. The primary role is to discuss above and sometimes reject draft law proposed by executive.
Okay, give us the knowledge of the unit. Sekian you listen about the function of the executive ya.
Aku tuh kalau
And the last next mutiara yang kita the issue. Kamu saja. Would you please Najib?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dari betul.
Yes. I will continue the presentation from Najib.
Langsung ya langsung. Eksekutif.
Executive.
The executive branch implementing the law. Reference visual point to the executive column, president, vice president, cabinet. Function: the executive branch is responsible for the day-to-day administration and implementation of the law passed by the legislative branch. In Indonesia, the executive is led by the president and the vice president, who are directly elected. They are supported by the cabinet. Power: the president has the power to issue the government regulation, to enforce the acts, and also holds authority over forest policy and defense.
Okay, that's all ya. Okay, so buat di jelas ya kan. Ini tema bisa.
Coba jangan buka mana?
Ini mah bicara bisa. Belajar ya. Nanti kamu siapa tahu nanti kamu kerja di perusahaan luar negeri ya.
Masih bahasa Inggris.
apa iya di
Bisa.
Belum dicoba.
Sampai ini ketawa.
kalau karyawan apa divisi B divisi hukum karyawan dia ayo man
Gak bisa Pak, ketawa.
Loh, itu mindset tuh
Jadi
jangan
Sugesti.
latihan tantangan ya challenge.
Gak bisa Pak.
Apa ya?
Law are abstract, correct, right. Resolves this.
Ketawa sih.
Justice. They are the guardians of the Constitution. Indonesia is equivalent. The key institution are the Supreme Court, the highest court for civil, criminal, and state administrative case. The Constitutional Court to this diagram. The MK ensures undang-undang comply with the Constitution. K power, the judicial branch power is its independence and its ability to conduct judicial review. Sudah Pak.
Kita kelas berarti ini gitu. Oke, terus the conclusion. The conclusion I will choose apa? This one. Namanya? This one.
Iya.
And this you read the conclusion. The conclusion. Conclusion. Kalimat yang lain kan ada.
Ada ya?
Yes. It's the conclusion. Ini sekarang.
Tak bisa kasih space.
Kesimpulan itu.
Mungkin ya. Di video mas, di video.
Oh iya.
Langsung aja Pak.
Iya.
In summary, the Indonesian system follow the three polity. The DPR, MPR make the law, the President, Cabinet carries out the law, and the MA
Oh.
or of MK interprets and defend the law. Final point: check and balance. Reference the yellow arrow pointing from the Constitution to all three Undang-undang
Iya.
Undang-undang 1945.
Penugasan Parlimen ya.
Yeah. The system of check and balance is essential to prevent and single brand form become powerful.
Yeah, good. Thank you. We already discussed about the branch of the government and the legal system in Indonesia. Actually, already stated by who's the about this one? Actually, this is the legal system in Indonesia. The system here, and then we have this one, yeah, executive, the legislative here, ya, draft the law, ya. Jadi mereka itu merancang undang-undangnya, ya. Kemudian setelah itu apa? Eksekutifnya apa ini? Dia apa? Tanggung jawabnya dia, mengeksekusi dia. Nah, kemudian setelah itu, ini judicial the judicial branch ya, di sini ya, yaitu adalah apa? Ini menerapkan yang benar, menyelesaikan yang salah. Nah, tugasnya di sini. So this is the Indonesian legal system. Ya. I think that's all for today. But before we end this lesson, I would like to know about what you have you learned from this lesson. Kira-kira kita belajar apa hari ini tadi? Belajar apa? Belajar apa? Kenal apa?
Hukum.
Ya, sistem hukum yang ada di Indonesia. Yang kamu tahu kira-kira apa? Dari bahasa di sini kata-kata yang susah yang mana? Yang baru bagi kamu. Tadi ada kata-kata yang baru. Which one is the new for you? Maybe the vocabulary. This one maybe from this one. Which one is the new for you? Bagian baru bagimu apa? Kata di antara kata-kata ini. Rights. Remember, human right. Mendengar kata-kata itu, berarti ini hak asasi manusia. Rights. This is my rights. Dan ini kebenaran saya dapat. Ini adalah hak saya. Rights and obligation biasanya. Ya. Hak dan kewajiban biasanya. This is rights ya. Dan the government constitution etc. yang akan belajar tentang kata-kata dasar ini. Nanti kalau ketemu kata-kata ini di misalnya laporan hukum, ternyata saya dulu pernah belajar ini, gitu ya. I think that's all for today session ya. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to sign your attendance first ya. Dan kelihatannya ini masih belum ada, belum diprintkan. Bisa minta lembaran bukunya, and then you sign again ya. Okay, thank you very much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampun mas, thank you.